Okay. Good evening, guys. How are you doing today? Good evening. Hi. I am super good. Thanks for asking. I'm good. How is my day? My day, uh, it's a natural hectic day, but yeah, it's okay. It was cool. And hi, Srikant. Issues will be there all the time. Yeah, I'm not able to give the feedback, sir. No issues. Try it out. Show me your face. Harsha, I'm good. Yeah, thanks for calling. You are the only one I think who will call me Acharya, Guruji. Okay, so in FB, in Facebook, yeah, in Ramakrishna. Okay, guys, let us finish on what we have pending. So by the way, did you had a chance to do the VPC task by any chance? People asking how was your Riyaz? Okay. uh, Srikant, please concentrate on the class, not on the page. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, so all right. So by the way, we have um, VPC peering left, right? Should we finish that last topic, VPC peering? Let's go ahead and do that. So where is that? Where is that? VPC. It's let's see, Prasad, or else I'll try to share the material, preparing it. So let me close all these things, my open things. Um, okay. Can you see my screen? Yeah. So guys, do you remember yesterday? Do you remember yesterday? We'll send Srikant. Yeah, documents. Yeah. So do you remember yesterday we created the VPC, and then we created a Bastion server and private server, and from there we try to log in, right? Yes. What we do is you will have a chance again to see to create now how many VPCs we need to create now in order to VPC peering. Two VPCs, right? So we will try to duplicate two times. We'll create two times the VPC. One is from in Mumbai, another one is in Ireland. And then here we'll create one Bastion server, and here we'll create one private server, and here we'll create one private server. And the goal is all the way now, and then we'll set up a VPC peering. Using the VPC peering, I will first connect to the Bastion, and from Bastion, I'll connect to the private server. And from this private server, I need to go all the way and connect to this private server. That is the task. Do you understood the task, everyone? So now you need to keep watching me what I will be doing it. Okay, I need to disclose. So Just keep me watching. 255982. Okay, guys. Now we will we will create two things. One VPC is one in Mumbai, another one is in Ireland, right? So let's go to Mumbai VPC first. I'm in Ireland. Let's select Mumbai. First, I'll try to set up the VPC on what we have set up yesterday quickly. And guys, those who have missed yesterday, you can see again how I am creating a VPC. Okay, guys, please let me know one by one. Okay, let's create a Mumbai. What is the CIDR? 192.168.0.016 and default. What is the next step? After Mumbai, after VPC, Internet Gateway. Let's go to Internet Gateway and create it. I call it as Mumbai IGW and create it. And then it is in detached state. Let's go and attach to the VPC, Mumbai VPC. What's the next step? Subnets. How many subnets we need to create? Two subnets. One is public subnet, which is in Mumbai, and I put it in 1A. And what is the CIDR? 192.168.1.0/24. Create it. And we need to create one more one. We call it as private subnet. In Mumbai VPC, I'll put it in 1B. And this time it is 192.168.2.0. What's the next step? NAT. Too good, guys. Which subnet? Public subnet. Allocate one elastic IP and then create it. Call it as Mumbai NAT. What's the next step? Routing tables. How many? Public RT, which is in Mumbai, 2. And then I need to create one more that is called private RT and Mumbai VPC. Okay, so I'll select public RT. Let's go to route and let's add a route, which is routing to Internet Gateway. And which subnet should be associated? Associated public subnet. And let's do the same thing. All the routes should be routed to NAT gateway. And then subnet association, which one? Private subnet. Guys, is that clear? What we did, we know this already. And let's go to EC2 instance and launch. Let's create a security group and then launch EC2 instances there. Let's group. I call it as Mumbai SG. Mumbai SG. And you want Linux only now? Let's go to Linux and my IP. Create it. Do you remember we should have a habit of adding all traffic to self? Yes. Nice. And let's go and launch. How many EC2 instances that you should launch? 2. Nice. One is in public and one is in private. Let's select Mumbai and I'll try to launch in public. I need to have a public IP for here for this. Next, I call this as Bastion server. And next, we'll select our Mumbai SC, review it, and then launch it. Should we launch one more EC2 instance, which is private Mumbai VPC? In private, I don't need any public IP for that. Next, and name, and this is my private server. And then select Mumbai SC, review it, and then launch it. Guys, is it clear till here what we did, everyone? Nice. So let's wait a bit. It's cooking. So now what we did is we set up this one. We tried to set up this one, right? Guys, and should we go and parallelly set up this area also in Ireland? This one? What is only missing? Do we need Bastion server here? No, no. I'm not logging in directly from the from internet to this. I want from private to private concept, right? So let's go and launch and set up the same thing in Ireland region. I'll open a new window and I'll select Ireland. You can select any region, guys. You can select any region. So these two are cooking still. Okay. Should I do the same thing, guys? Create VPC. Okay. This is called Ireland VPC. And what is the CIDR, guys, this time? 192.169.0016. Create it. And then what is the next step? Internet gateway. Call it as Ireland IGW. And then attach it to the VPC. Guys, we have done so many times this. What's the next step? Internet gateway. After internet gateway, subnets. So here I go with public subnet, Ireland. I'll put in 1A. What is the CIDR, guys? 192.169.1.0. 169.1.0. Create it. And we need to create one more called private subnet. I'll put it in Ireland. I'll put it in 1B. And this should be 192.169.2.0. What's the next step, guys? NAT. Public subnet, allocate one and create NAT. Call it as Ireland NAT. Okay. Next step. Routing tables. Two routing tables we need to create. Public RT, Ireland, and then private RT, Ireland. And routings we need to do now. For public route, add route, all traffic should go to internet gateway. And which subnet is associated? Public subnet is associated. Yeah. And then for the private, again, we need to do the routings. All traffic should be routed to the NAT. And then which subnet should be associated? Private subnet should be associated. Clear? Guys, everyone, should we go and launch one EC2 instance now in Ireland? Yes. In which subnet you need to launch that EC2 instance? Public or private? Private. Very good. So I'm just creating Ireland security group. I told you that we should not be using default one, and SSH, my IP, and get that group ID. And then in inbound, we'll add all traffic here. Sorry, custom only here, and then save. Should we go and launch the EC2 instance here? Let's go and launch the EC2 instance. And Red Hat, T2 Micro. And this time Ireland VPC, this one should be public or private? As you said, private. And I don't want public IP at all completely. Next. Name, I call it as Ireland private server, something. Next, Ireland, review it and then launch it. I have already a key pair here. Let's launch it. Nice. Guys, is this clear till here? Everyone? We have set up two VPCs here. Two complete different VPCs, which is completely in different regions, everyone. So now let's try to, where I need to connect, guys? I need to connect to the Bastion, and from Bastion, I need to connect to the private server. Yes or no? Let's go and do that. So let's go to our Bastion, get the IP, and then let's try to log in it. So 630. Open. Boom. So it's working. So sudo -s. So from here, I need to log into my private server. Na? Select the private server and connect it, and you have this. But what do we need to create there on this, guys? Will this work? No, what do we need to create here? Guys, what do we need to create here? We need to create the keys, na, guys. We need to create a key. So let's get that key. This key. Copy this. And then we need to, and then create the key. Guys, we did this yesterday. And then we need to modify the permissions to 400. Yeah. And let's try to connect to this now. Boom. So is this clear, guys? Now, if previously we were in 1.245, now we are in 2.1.121, which is in my, in which server I am now at the moment, guys? Tell me. In which server? Yes, in which server I am now here? I'm in my, where? Mumbai private server or Ireland? Mumbai only, na? Yes. So here I logged into this here Bastion, and from that Bastion I am logged in here. Now at the moment I am here. Now is the actual topic. From here, I need to connect to this private server, na, which is in Ireland, guys, which is in Ireland. So let me get that SSH of Ireland. This is my Ireland, this one, and I logged into this, and this is the. But do I have this key, guys? Ireland key here in my private server? No, na, should I create the keys, right? Guys, previously I was in Bastion server. To connect to my Mumbai private server, I have created a key. But now already I'm in private server. In order to connect to this Ireland private server, I need to have the Ireland PEM file, right? Yes or no, everyone? Yes? Yep. So VI Ireland, this key, we need to create it. So I need to find out that Ireland key, Ireland PEM file, copy it. Guys, are you following? And then save it. And I modify CH to Ireland. Okay. Now, guys, and I need to connect to this Ireland private server directly. Will this work? It doesn't work yet. But guys, because we have individually set up this area, and then we have individually set up this area. But what we need to do now? I am here already. What we need to do now? We need to set up what? VPC peering. Now we need to set up VPC peering. How to do this is the topic now. See, VPC peering you need to create from where to where? From Mumbai to Ireland or Ireland to Mumbai? Hmm? Let's go to Mumbai. And here on the left side, you have something called peering connections. Peering connections. And here, let's create a peering connection. Peering name is, I call it as Mumbai to Ireland peering. Okay. Who is the requester? Yeah, Mumbai or Ireland? Who is the requester? Mumbai. So select Mumbai VPC, right? And Didn't we learn that already, that peering can be done in another account also, another account, another VPCs also? Yes, it is possible, guys. So another account is also VPC peering can be done, and you can do it on the same account, but we are in different region. In which region we have a VPC that we need to connect? Ireland. And who is acceptor here? Which VPC ID is acceptor? Mumbai or Ireland? Ireland. It's like sending the Facebook request. So go to Ireland and get the VPC ID. This is a VPC ID. Get the VPC ID and then put it over here. Yes, you understood how to create this, pass the variables, everything? Everyone, CC here? Nice. And then now click on create peering connection. Guys, now peering connection request has been sent. Who need to accept that request now? Mumbai or Ireland? Ireland. So let's go to Ireland and let's go to here peering connections. And here you have pending apps acceptance. Go to actions and then accept request. Guys, it is active now. And here also it is active now. Guys, now VPC peering from here to here is now set it up. This from this VPC to this VPC is now set it up. It's now set up, done. But let's see whether this works or not. This works? Guys, it doesn't work. Now what we need to do? Anyone? So from this private server, we are connecting to 192.169. Na? This private server is in which routing table? Private routing table, public routing table. This private server in private routing table. Private routing table is routed to where? NAT. But you are talking to 192.169, completely different network. Now you should add a route to where? To the VPC peering. Understood this? Is that clear, this point? Whoever, guys, okay, now let's go to routing table. Which routing table? Private routing table in routes. Okay, I'm coming. See here. So now VPC peering has been set up. Is that clear? Everyone? Peering is done. Now routing we need to do. So I am already in private server. All traffic is now forwarding to NAT. That meaning here, I'm in private subnet. All traffic, this meaning all traffic is forwarding to, routed to NAT. And this 192.168 traffic is also routing to the NAT. Is there any use of routing this 192.168 network routing to NAT? No. So where do you need to route this 192.168 network? To VPC peering, na? So that is what route I'm adding it here. See, which route? Opposite route, guys. 192.169 you're talking, right? 192.169 should be routed to where? Peering connection. See? Is that clear? The route? You are in Mumbai. Mumbai is 192.168. But whatever the traffic that you are from the private server, from 180 to 160, you are now trying to connect to 190 to 169, and you are telling that, hey, 190 to 169 network should be routed to not to NAT. You route to this PPC, this, what is that? Peering connection. Is this clear? Should we do the same thing on the Ireland also? Na? In Ireland also, go to routing table, go to private route, and then this one should be which one? 192. This one should be 192.168 route. Opposite. Yeah. Should be routed to peering connection. This is a peering connection. Guys, understood now? Now, from here to here, now the routing is also be done now. Guys, routing is also done. Now let's go and see. Is it still connecting? No. What is the another thing that is preventing? If you're not able to connect to the EC2 instance, what is the thing that you need to check? Inbound rule. Fantastic. Excellent. Excellent, guys. Now, for this security group, SSH is done from my here. I'm sitting over here, na? I'm sitting over here, right? So SSH is from my IP address, but this SSH you are doing from this private server, right? From here to here, है ना? From here to here. So that meaning I need to go to my security groups, right? Which security group that we need to create? Mumbai security group. Edit. I need to add one more rule. From where, yeah? In which network? You are connecting 192 opposite network 169.0.0.16. Excellent. Yeah. And here on the other side, on Ireland security group, you need to add also from where you want to connect. Which subnet? Which one? Yes, 192.168.0.0/16. Do you understood this point? Now let's go and see this now. Let's do this now. Boom. Do you see that now? Guys, so now from 192 168 Mumbai, now we are into 192 169 Ireland, that to 2.93. What is 2.93? Do you see this private server? So now we from here, we all the way we went and connected to this here. Now we are here. This is called VPC peering. Guys, understood? I have given the step by step in your document. Did you saw the document? How to do all these things? Guys, in the document, I have given the step by step. Please see the document. How to do this VPC peering. I have given the clear documentation there. Yeah. Guys, any questions? Is this clear? Everyone, CC? Nice. Excellent. Real-time users is the same thing. So this is your production environment and this is your staging or QA environment. And if they want to talk to each other, you need to need to use the VPC peering. If two VPCs want to talk to each other with any kind of requirement, VPC peering is the concept. Prasad, someone asked Redshift. I'll try to share the material to you. Yeah. Material to you. Don't worry on that. And you just go through it and easily understand. It just matter of few slides. Redshift is basically a Redshift. Basically, guys, it is for data warehouse concepts, right? So you can go and create a Redshift cluster there, and then start putting the data there. All your ETL, data lakes, etc., will be on that Redshift. So setting up the Redshift is only our part. It's a data warehouse thing. So you can create the Redshift cluster and start building it. Here you have something called Redshift is all about. I'll just send you the document, Prasad. Don't worry. Yeah. Yeah. You're putting three. No issues. No issues. You just follow that. You will understand. Guys, any more questions? Please share SNS skills now. Definitely, Srikanth. Yes, definitely. I'll share. So, guys, whatever I have promised that I have delivered, right? And then task files, whatever Srikanth send me, If you have missed any materials and all, I'll be sending out to you. Right, guys? Whatever the services that I have promised, I hope I have covered most of the things and have given you the Vizlabs. And please practice the papers there and try to attain the certification. So people, my previous batch already started sending emails that they have cleared the certification, guys. And I also need emails from you soon after clearing the certification. Right? Yes. So guys, so I hope you have enjoyed my sessions, isn't it? Yeah. So whatever you have learned, definitely that will be useful, and definitely you will be remembering me some of the other point of time in your AWS life. If you want to, say something, or if you want to any general things, it's welcome. You want to see my face? Okay, so so okay, so if you want to see me, then there we go. It's me there. So don't stare. I might get in your dreams. Okay, that's me. Yeah, thank you. So guys, I can unmute for some time, and if someone wants to, I can see that I got so many emails that they are feeling really uh, yeah, they are heavy hearted. So if someone wants to talk, they can talk. Guys, now you have option to unmute. No one would like to talk. Okay,
Hi, sir.
who is that? Hi.
Ramakrishna, sir.
Hey, Ramakrishna. Hi.
Hi. Company ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్?
Um, it's in the progress. Officially, it's not confirmed. It's in the maybe in 1 or 2 months.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
Thank you very much, sir, for AWS. I joining. Trying to take. Nice, great, Amita.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Hey, thank you, Amita. You're welcome.
See, it's based on our company and project. Hi, sir. This is Pawan. Thank you so much
Hi,
for your
Pawan.
classes and tips.
Thank you, Pawan. Thank you.
There are lots of.
Yes.
Yes, sir. When I will come to Hyderabad, where can I meet to you? Mean in Naresh IT, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I hope like definitely after
Party
this
is
pandemic.
pending from my side for you.
Oh, really? Party is pending from your side. Definitely, we'll meet, Amita. Definitely, you can be in touch on my emails, and then you can.
Yes, sir.
Definitely. Thanks for that invitation.
Hi, sir. Is there any sample resumes for system administrator?
Sample resumes. I already told you, if I give some sample resumes, everyone will use the same thing. But send me an email. If I find something, I'll send it out to you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Rahul, for the kind words. Guys, those who have not done the feedback yet, this is the only last thing that I would ask. please go ahead and then do it.
Hello, sir. Thank you very much for your efforts. This is Ravi.
Hi, Ravindra. Thank you. Thank you.
And take care of yourself. Bye.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, Riaz. This is Dev here. Yeah.
Hey, Dev.
Thank you so much for all your explanation. What you never felt bored and all when we asked so many things. Yeah, you are very clear in your concepts and all. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. All the best. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, sir. This is Gaurav.
Hello.
Hi, Gaurav.
Thank you, sir, for all your efforts.
Thank
It means
you.
a lot of me.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Hello, sir. This is Ram. I'm very thankful for your classes. Every class is like 1 hour become like 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. Thanks for that compliment. You feel like it's
Thank
only
you,
for
sir.
10 to 15 minutes. Nice. So that
Yes, sir.
makes
Yes,
sense
sir.
that how interested you are in that. Yeah.
Means
All the best, Ram.
Thank you, sir.
not boring. It's
Not boring. Nice.
Hello, sir. This is Venkatesh. Your way of talking is very good, sir.
Oh, thank you, Venkatesh. Thank you.
Sir, I think we are going to miss somebody at 6:30 will now not ask hello guys, how are you today?
Oh, yeah. So cute. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'll be missing you too, definitely. Yes. On this patch.
Hi, sir. This is
Hey.
Chaitanya.
Hey, Chaitanya.
Sir, I was telling Telu, sir,
Yeah.
your class, సార్ మీ క్లాస్ చాలా అంటే చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అయింది సార్ మాకైతే.
Good. Okay.
ఎందుకంటే నాకైతే ఏం తెలియదు, ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ అంటే ఏంటిదో కూడా తెలియదు, కానీ మీ క్లాసెస్ విన్నాక నాకైతే కొంచెం కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అయితే వచ్చింది.
Excellent.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thanks, Andy. Thanks. All the best.
Hi, sir. This is Prasad.
Hey, Prasad.
Thank you so much for your way is explanation way is very good, sir. And,
Thank you.
Your way of thank you so much for your.
My pleasure. My pleasure. My pleasure to teach you guys.
We
Oh.
really happy, sir.
Thank you. That's the only
Thank you.
real end goal that I need to get it from you guys. So finally, at the end of the course, you should be very happy, and I can see all that from your messages, some private messages, and from like words from you. My honor. Great. So excellent then. Guys, Paisa Vasul, Ravindra, nice. So guys, then can you give me the final CC for my course? Final CC. Great. So guys, definitely it's my honor to teach you, and then it's my pleasure, and I enjoyed thoroughly. And then I hope and I wish all the very best for your future endeavors. And definitely I'll be missing you. And definitely I'll be missing the center batch at 6:30. And I wish and pray to God to give you a good health and good future. And from my bottom of my heart, guys, all the very best, all the very best, and all the very best. And this is your Ria sir signing off. And thank you. Have a nice day forward, and then have a nice future, guys. And goodbye.
Yeah, thank you, sir.